Welcome to Matthew's Test Kitchen. Today we're gonna make Alabama white barbecue sauce. Let's get to it. Quick and simple recipe. We're gonna take a cup of mayonnaise and add it to the bowl. Then we're gonna add our apple cider vinegar, 1/4 of a cup, a teaspoon of Worcestershire, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon prepared horseradish. Then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon creole mustard. And then this will be our spice blend. It's gonna have garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne, a little dried mustard, and a half a teaspoon of white pepper and a teaspoon of kosher salt. I'll put the recipe below. Just mix this up. Could do this in a mixer or a blender also, or food processor, speed it along. See, it's starting to smooth out now, less clumps. Thanks for watching. If you loved this quick recipe, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment on the next one you'd like to see. And we'll see you next time. Cheers. Welcome to Matthew's Test Kitchen. Today we're gonna be making white Alabama. Welcome to Matthew's Test Kitchen. Today we're gonna make white Alabama. Welcome to Matthew's Test Kitchen. Today we're gonna make